Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will see how to make a super moist, super delicious and tasty red velvet cake which you can make it for anniversary or any birthday party. So let's begin. First of all, take a bowl and in this add 1 cup of milk and in this add half tablespoon of white vinegar. Now mix it well and keep it aside for 5-10 minutes till it gets curdled. Meanwhile, we will sieve all the dry ingredients. Now take another bowl, put a strainer on it and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1/4 cup of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of the baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Now sieve all the dry ingredients. It is very necessary to sieve the dry ingredients. It makes the cake very soft and fluffy. And now you can see that the milk has been curdled. Now in this add 1/4 cup of the vegetable oil. Use any flavorless oil and then add half cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of the vanilla essence. Now mix it well with the help of the hand whisker. And now in this sieve the dry ingredients. First sieve half of the dry ingredients. Don't add all the dry ingredients one at a time. Now mix it well with a whisker. Now sieve the remaining dry ingredients. Now mix it again nicely with the help of the whisker, making sure that no lumps are formed in the batter. You can see that the batter has become thick. So in this here I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk in it. Now mix it again with the help of the whisker. So now our batter is in a perfect consistency. And now add half teaspoon of the red gel food color. If you are using liquid color, then add 1 tablespoon of the liquid color. Now mix it well with the help of the cut and fold method, as you can see in the video. You can see a nice red color. Don't overmix the batter. So our cake batter is ready now. Here I have taken a 5-inch mold here. You can use 6-inch mold also. Now pour the batter in the mold. And tap it for a couple of times. And now I have preheated my kadhai for 10 minutes. Now bake it at a medium flame for 40 to 45 minutes or in oven at 180 degree for 30 to 35 minutes. Now after 45 minutes I checked with toothpick, it came out clean. Now let it cool down completely. Now the cake has been cooled down completely. So first remove the butter paper. And now cut the cake in 3 equal parts. Use a bread knife to cut the cake. So I have cut the cake in 3 equal parts. And now take 1/4 cup of the cream cheese in a bowl. And in this add 1 tablespoon of the powdered sugar and half teaspoon of the vanilla essence. And now beat it with the help of the electric beater till the sugar and the vanilla essence mixes well with the cream cheese. It takes around 1 minute. And now keep it aside, and now we will whip the cream. Now take a chilled bowl and add 3/4 cup of the whipping cream. And now whip the cream till we get stiff peaks. First beat at a low speed and then slowly increase the speed. You can see that the cream has been done now. Now mix it gently. And now in this add the cream cheese that we made earlier. And mix this also very gently. And now we will do the icing. Now take a cake board, apply some cream on it and place the first layer of the cake and press it a little so that the cake gets stick to the cream. And now apply the sugar syrup over it. Sugar syrup is 1/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Apply the sugar syrup on all the sides. And now apply the cream cheese frosting and spread it with the help of the palette knife. Spread it on all the sides evenly. And now here I am adding some grated white chocolate. Now this is optional. If you don't have, you can skip this process. And now place the second layer of the cake. Press it a little. And now apply the cream cheese frosting from the sides first so that the cake gets a good height. Fill the gaps from the sides first. Now again apply the sugar syrup over it. It is very important to apply the sugar syrup, otherwise your cake will become dry. Now again add the cream over it and spread it with the help of the palette knife. Spread it evenly on all the sides. Again here I am adding some grated white chocolate. You can use white chocolate chips also. Now place the third layer of the cake and press it a little. Then again start from the sides first. Now cover the upper part. Apply a very thin layer of the cream as we are doing the crumb coating of the cake. And now refrigerate the cake for about 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, do the second layer of the cream. Start from the sides first. And now cover the top part of the cake with the cream. Spread it with the help of the palette knife. And now here I have taken a scraper here. Scrape the sides of the cake with the help of the scraper and remove the extra cream. And now take a palette knife and give a smooth finish on the top. Every time when you give finishing to the cake with the palette knife, always clean your palette knife with the cloth so that you will get a nice finishing on the top. And now clean the sides of the board with the help of the tissue paper. And now here I have taken a 1mm nozzle in a piping bag and I am making the rosettes from it. You can do any design of your choice. Here I have shown you a very simple design which anybody can make. Now spray some red powder color over the roses. Now here I have taken a small star nozzle and I am giving a border to the cake. I am giving a shell border. And lastly, decorate the cake with some red sugar balls on the top and on the sides also. So our beautiful red velvet cake is ready. Refrigerate the cake for 1 to 2 hours and then serve. So if you liked my video, then share it with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, then like, share and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will receive the updates whenever I upload the video. So see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.